Okay guys, we are here again. We want to learn how to use the tracking number. You know, you can do all the purchasing, but if you get your tracking number wrong, you didn't get the right tracking number, your goods will not be delivered. Your shipping agent will find it difficult to get your goods. So it is very important, very necessary for you to get your tracking number. Once you get your tracking number, trust me, you're going to make all things simple for yourself. So in this video, I want to take you through how to get the tracking number. The tracking number is the only thing that you need. Once you need it, your shipping agent is going to get your goods for you. So what this video, and this is your first time on this channel, you are good to what? Subscribe to this channel. First of all, what is the tracking number? You see, the tracking number is a special code, a special number that the supplier adds to your product before taking to your warehouse. When that number is added to your goods before taking to the warehouse, that's the number that is documented for that particular goods. It is also referred to as the way bill number. So if in case you are copying this number and by any means, by any doing, you have misplaced some of the numbers or you have changed them, you would see that your shipping agent is going to be struggling to locate your goods in China warehouse. So it is going to make your whole process cumbersome for you. So it is good to know your tracking number. Excuse my language, the tracking number is the main thing that is going to help you to get your goods down to your preferred country. We are Ghanaians. I am a Ghanaian. So my tracking number is what helps me to help my shipping agent also to get my goods to my country, Ghana. So I don't joke with tracking number. So tracking number is something that we must take serious. The video I'm going to guide you. You will now see how the old tracking number looks like. If that is your first time, maybe your system is not yet updated because the phones and the versions are different. You are going to see how the old tracking number looks like, where to identify it. Then after that, I'll show you the new tracking number, how it is being displayed now, so that you don't get missing along the line. Watch till the end and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so first of all, this is how to identify your old tracking number. You open your 1688 account using the application. When you open it, it loads this way. As you can see, our app is open nicely. Then you click on me. Where the human head is drawn at the right button. You click on it. You can see the apps or the icons there where the one is written. Click on that and then wait a while your system loads this way. You click on open logistic and that is tracking number be displayed there. I mean the circled one where I've circled. It is also called the way bill number when you use your Google Chrome browser to translate it. It is also called the way bill number. Copy the way bill number as your tracking number and give it to your shipping company. Now with same processes, you are going to use the same processes to look at the new tracking number. Follow the same guidelines, the same processes what we have done to locate the first one, and voila, this is how the new tracking number is being displayed. You are going to copy the first number written there, the one starting with the 433. Yours may not definitely start with 433, but what I mean is copy the top number. Copy the top number over there where the arrow is pointing to. Copy that number and give it to your shipping company. Once you give that number to your shipping company, your goods are going to be identified and tracked. You copy it, you go to your WhatsApp or whichever means you use to communicate with your shipping company and give it to them. That's all.